When you hear the words manufactured home, what comes to mind? For many people, the image is still stuck in the past, based on homes from 30 or 40 years ago. And that outdated picture may be one of the biggest barriers to understanding one of today's most practical housing options. Hello, Neil Thomas here with MH Insights. Today, we're talking about the stigma around manufactured homes, why it still lingers, and why modern manufactured housing should be judged for what it is today, not by what people remember from decades ago. A big part of the confusion starts with terminology. Before 1976, homes of this kind were generally called mobile homes. They were built before the federal HUD construction and safety standards went into effect. Modern manufactured homes are built under a very different system, with federal standards covering construction, safety, durability, and other important requirements. Another common misconception is that factory-built means lower quality. In reality, manufactured homes are built in controlled factory settings. Materials are protected from much of the weather exposure that can affect site-built construction. The process is systematic and repeatable, and inspections are built into manufacturing. For many people, their perception starts to change the moment they walk into a newer manufactured home. Instead of something plain or basic, they may find open floor plans, attractive kitchens, upgraded cabinetry, quality flooring, modern fixtures, large primary suites, walk-in closets, kitchen islands, energy-efficient windows, improved insulation, and appealing exterior finishes. There's also an old assumption that manufactured homes are uncomfortable or inefficient. But many modern homes are designed with energy efficiency in mind, including better insulation, dual-pane windows, efficient heating systems, and modern appliances. That matters, especially for buyers who are retired, downsizing, or simply looking for smarter housing costs. And for many adults, especially those considering 55-plus communities, the appeal goes beyond the home itself. It may be about simplifying life, reducing upkeep, choosing a more manageable home, and enjoying a stronger sense of community. Not everyone wants a large site-built house with rooms they rarely use, higher maintenance demands, and more property to take care of. Many people are looking for something more intentional, a comfortable home that fits the way they want to live now. Sometimes the stigma around manufactured housing isn't really about construction at all. It's social. It comes from assumptions attached to words like mobile home or trailer, even when those labels no longer describe today's manufactured homes. The best way to challenge those assumptions is simple. Look at the homes themselves. Walk through one. Look at the floor plan. Check out the finishes. Ask how it was built. Compare the features, comfort, efficiency, and overall value. If someone walked into a well-designed, modern, manufactured home without being told how it was built, they might simply say, "This is a very nice home." And that is exactly how it should be judged. Manufactured housing has come a long way from the homes many people remember from decades ago. Today's manufactured homes are built to federal standards, constructed in controlled environments, and can offer modern design, comfort, efficiency, and attractive features. For many buyers, especially those considering a simpler lifestyle or a 55-plus community, manufactured housing can be a practical and appealing choice. The key is to look beyond the old stereotypes and evaluate the home for what it actually offers today. I'm Neil, and thank you for joining me here at MH Insights. We'll keep helping you better understand manufactured home living so you can make more informed decisions.